Robots are no longer the future, they're the present. From police patrols in China to 20-foot construction giants, humanoid robots are popping up everywhere. Talking, walking, building, and even selling cars. Meanwhile, AI agents are rewriting the rules of software development, and Huawei just dropped a processor that could seriously rattle Nvidia. Buckle up. This is the real AI revolution. Patrol bots are hitting the streets. In Shenzhen, a small but mighty humanoid named PM01 just joined the local police force. Built by Engine AI, this 1.38-meter, 40-kilogram bot wears a bright yellow police vest and scans crowds using a 320-degree waist rotation. It can turn without moving its feet. What makes it stand out isn't just the uniform, it's the agility. Last month, it landed a clean front flip, a move that went viral on Chinese social media. Under the hood, it's packed with industrial-grade actuators, multi-language voice recognition, and real-time facial and license plate scanning. At just $12,000, the PM01 is surprisingly affordable, cheaper than many high-end smartphones or drones. Cities could deploy entire squads without blowing up the budget. Right now, it's mostly helping tourists and watching for lost kids. But local authorities say it can instantly forward suspicious activity straight to command centers. Robots in public safety. And it's not alone. China is moving fast in robotic public safety. Last year, officials tested the RTG, a spherical robot that can glide on water or land at 35 kilometers per hour and survive a 4-ton impact. Meanwhile, Deep Robotics launched quadrupeds that can climb stairs and detect fires before firefighters even arrive. The PM01 is the first to bring a humanoid body into this mix, offering a more relatable and visible presence in public areas. And at this price point, it's easy to see cities building entire robotic patrol units in the near future. Auto Shanghai turns into a robot runway. Up north at Auto Shanghai 2025, humanoids stole the spotlight, especially Xpeng's Iron, a sleek android standing at 5 feet 8 inches and weighing 154 pounds. It features 60-plus joints and 22 just in the hands, giving it fluid, lifelike motion that can thread a needle or tap a screen like a real human. It's powered by Xpeng's Turing AI chip, capable of 3,000 trillion operations per second. That's server-grade horsepower. But here's what's wild. Iron runs the same AI system used in Xpeng's autonomous cars. They call this the AI tech tree, where EVs, humanoids, and even flying taxis share a unified AI brain. During the demo, Iron answered audience questions in Mandarin and gently lifted a fragile porcelain cup, showing just how far robotic dexterity has come. AI that builds apps while you sip coffee. In the fast-evolving world of software development, Abacus AI has just dropped a major update to its flagship tool, the Deep Agent Pro, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. Priced at just $10 a month, this AI-powered assistant is capable of performing complex, end-to-end app development tasks, all from a single natural language prompt. You don't need to write a single line of code. You simply describe what you want in plain English. Something like, create a customer dashboard that shows monthly revenue, pulls real-time data from a CSV, and alerts me via Slack when sales spike. In seconds, the AI goes to work. It automatically creates a structured database, intelligently cleans and loads your data files, and connects everything with real-time syncing capabilities. From there, it builds a fully functional web interface, complete with responsive design, professional layout, and interactive elements. It even handles back-end tasks like SSL encryption, domain hosting, and live deployment, making your site secure and accessible instantly. Need data visualizations? No problem. Deep Agent Pro can generate custom-branded charts, graphs, and dashboards, all stylized to match your business's look using built-in AI image generation tools. But it doesn't stop there. It also automates notifications like sending updates to your team via Slack, email, or webhook whenever key metrics change. And since it understands context and intent, the results are far more tailored than traditional low-code platforms. You're not just getting automation, you're getting smart, personalized app development. What once required a team of developers, a designer, a data analyst, and a DevOps engineer can now be done by one person in minutes. It's like hiring an entire tech department, but with zero overhead and 24/7 availability. Deep Agent Pro isn't just a productivity boost, it's a complete redefinition of how software gets built. Next, showing me Tesla's Optimus levels up. Tesla's Optimus robot is starting to look more and more like a real human. A new video shows it walking smoothly. No more stiff, Lego stepping gait. Elon Musk claims they'll scale up to 10,000 units by December 2025. Optimus reuses Tesla's EV components, battery packs from the Model Y, downsized motors from the Plaid, and the FSD computer for vision and control. Musk envisions a future where robots outnumber humans, 2 to 1 or even 10 to 1. If Tesla can mass-produce EVs, it might just mass-produce androids too. China's AI sales staff is already here. Chinese automaker Chery is already putting robots to work, literally. In its Malaysian showroom, a humanoid named Amoga handles customers. It walks, talks, gestures, and even sells without the pressure human salespeople can bring. Amoga features 41 degrees of motion, including 12 per hand, and speaks 10 languages using DeepSeek AI. With face tracking, obstacle avoidance, and responsive body language, it's convincing, sometimes too convincing. Chery calls it a human-like motion library. It's AI with personality, and it's working. The construction site just got a mech. Over in California, RAI Robotics is building a 20-foot construction bot called Zyrex, designed for heavy-duty tasks like welding, carpentry, and 3D printing entire buildings. Zyrex uses LiDAR, vision language action models, and compares its environment to BIM blueprints in real time. It can minimize errors and keep workers out of danger zones. A big deal in an industry with over 1,000 annual fatalities in the US, and the cost? Under $1 million to buy or around $20,000 a month to lease. Similar to hiring a skilled crew, but one that never gets tired. Meta's AI assistant knows you. Meta just launched a standalone Meta AI app based on Llama 4, and it's different from anything else out there. There's a Discover feed where people share AI prompts like you'd share videos on TikTok. The app supports voice mode, letting the assistant speak and listen at the same time, so it feels like a real conversation. It works across devices, from your Ray-Ban Meta glasses to your phone and desktop, and can generate PDFs, design reports, and even remember your preferences. Right now, it's rolling out in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, but a global launch is in the works. Huawei's bold shot at Nvidia. Finally, let's talk about Huawei. The Chinese tech giant is testing its next-gen chip, the Ascend 9 1D, aimed directly at Nvidia's H100, the world's most in-demand AI chip. The H100 is a monster with 4.9 terabytes per second bandwidth and 1 petaflop of FP16 compute. Huawei's current 91C already hits 800 petaflops in T8 and 400 FP16. The new 91D is expected to go even further and stay within standard 700-watt power limits. This could be a game changer for China's AI ecosystem. Since US restrictions blocked access to Nvidia chips, Chinese companies have been scrambling for alternatives, and Huawei might have just delivered. Outro, from humanoid cops to AI-powered sales bots, from software agents that write code to processors challenging the world's most powerful GPUs, the AI and robotics wave is already crashing over us. So next time you see a humanoid bot greeting tourists or hear about a mech building a shopping center, just remember, you heard it here first. Are we still the bosses or just carbon-based interns in a robotic workplace? Let us know in the comments. If you found this wild, like and subscribe. We've got more future-shaping tech coming soon.